Today we'll be spraying this garage door. So you guys are probably wondering, what are all those spots? It's tape residue. Customer had some paper decorations up, so yeah, we'll have to take care of that. So what we have to do is wipe off the residue using acetone, and you can just use any regular rag to do this. I use the small towel. Then lightly sand down the spots using 220 grit. We want to make sure we don't leave any gunk. Again, lightly sand. Before we start masking, we power wash the door. Prepped and ready to start spraying. We want to make sure we get these gaps here in between each panel section as the door opens. Alright, here goes the second coat. I'm gonna speed this up just a little more. Alright, all done. Thank y'all for watching. Let me know what y'all think in the comments.